So we have a super simple project that we're gonna do today, and it's just making your own fire starters with just basic stuff that you have around the house. Super simple, anybody can do it. Let me show you what we got here. So first of all, we have an egg carton that you can pick up bulk egg cartons on Amazon or some other places, or just reuse what you have, obviously. And I have saved up some dryer lint. This is probably a couple weeks worth of dryer's lint, maybe as much as a month. But saved up a little bit of dryer lint, and we are just going to literally pack these. There you have it. We have each little spot packed with dryer lint. Now for the next step. All right, so inside the house we have a candle, and we are melting the wax right now by just putting it in a pot and boiling it in some water. Eventually, probably about another 5 minutes, all the wax will be melted, and we'll use that with our fire starter. Okay, here we go. We've got the wax and our egg carton. All right. One of these containers was an 8-inch candle, and it worked out just about perfect to cover the entire egg carton there. Just one of those. So now we're gonna let this dry for about an hour or so, just let the wax reharden again. Then we'll cut it up into its individual parts, and it'd be ready for a fire starter. So, the candle wax is all dried out now, and it's solidified now. So here's an example of one of the fire starters, and as you can see, I added a piece of the wick. It was left over from the candle, and I just cut it up into little bits and then just added it to the fire starter. But it's completely unnecessary. You can obviously use the fire starter just as is, lighting the sides of the egg carton. There you go. Let's give it a whirl in the fireplace. Well, there you have it. That was amazing. This little thing lasted up to 15 minutes. Now it's gonna depend on how well you've coated it with wax, but this thing, just a DIY lint, egg carton, and some wax, lasted 15 minutes as a fire starter, which is amazing. Now I prefer to use fire starters as opposed to paper because paper creates a lot of smoke without the heat. So if you're using it as an indoor fireplace solution to start your fire, you can create a lot of smoke without getting the heat to draw, and you'll get the effect called a backdraft, which will be smoke coming back into your house, which you absolutely don't want, obviously. Till next time, be safe, have fun, and as always, we are stronger together.